Notebook cover materials. Decoded 2026 Buyer's Playbook Solo with Leo. Hi everyone. Leo here, founder of Lion Paper Products. I've spent 20 plus years helping brands and retailers ship millions of notebooks that look great, survive real life, and hit margin. Today, I'm going to give you a practical 5-minute guide to choosing the right cover material for your next line. If you source, spec, or sell notebooks, stick with me. Why? The cover matters. A cover isn't decoration. It drives perceived value. Failure rates, scuffing, warping, moisture. What finishes? You can use foil, deboss, spot UV. And whether you sell through compliance like FSC, REACH, Prop 65. The cover is the handshake of your product. Premium versus everyday, heritage versus eco-leadership. Your buyer reads it instantly. 2. The material stack. Quick hits. 1. Leather, full, top grain. Luxury feel, develops patina, lasts for years. Watch outs, highest cost, needs conditioning. 2. PU, bonded, vegan, premium look, wide color range, easy upkeep. Bonded has mid durability. Don't oversell patina. 3. Cloth, linen, tactile, and color rich. Great for embroidery, foil, or deboss. Needs gentle cleaning. Add anti-stain if usage is heavy. 4. Felt, cozy, eco vibe. Great for limited drops. Moderate durability. Skews casual. 5. Hardbound paper, 157 grams. Print over 1000 GSM grayboard. Print, freedom, and luxe finishes. Heavier and higher cost than soft options. 6. Softbound paperboard. Light, fast, and cost-effective. Lower protection. Specify lamination to curb creasing. 7. Plastic PP, PVC, and recyclable variants. Tough, wipe clean, transparent, or tinted. Print on an insert for true color. Direct printing is limited. 8. Ecolines recycled PU, RP, ET, cork, bamboo, bagasse, recycled paper. Strong story. Check pallets and claims. Always verify certifications. Fast. Decision map. Use case material. Executive gifts. Corporate, full, top grain, leather, or hardbound paper, plus deboss, foil, retail mass, promos PU, or softbound paperboard, plus matte lamination, scoop, felt PP, PVC, transparent or colored, eco-first ranges, recycled PU, RPET, cork, bamboo, recycled paper, FSC, tactile storytelling, cloth, linen or felt plus foil, deboss. If you are torn between two, prototype, both, real-world lighting and handling decide winners. 42026 trends, you can actually ship hybrids, PU shell plus fabric spine, natural fibers blended with recycled synthetics for strength and breathability, advanced finishing, high-res digital print, and laser engraving. Even AR markers that link the physical notebook to digital content. Biodegradable polymers. Plant-based plastics with credible end-of-life pathways. Smart features. Built-in pen loops. Card pockets. Magnets. RFID. Inside whiteboard panels. Pick one hero innovation per SKU. Stacking too many elevates cost and QC risk. Buyer checklist. Copy, paste into your RFQ. 1. Use case and target user. Executive, student, creative, field. 2. Durability spec. Rub and scratch. Moisture, edge wear targets. 3. Compliance. FSC, COC, REACH, Prop 65, CPSIA, where relevant. 4. Finish stack. Lamination type. Foil, UV, emboss, deboss. Registration tolerance, plus or minus 0.3, 0.5 millimeters. 5. Sustainability. Ask. Recycled percent. Material origin. End of life notes. 6. Sampling. 2, 3 materials plus finishes. 5, 7-day prototypes. Test under retail lighting. 7. Change control and CAPA. Log substitutions on paper, ink, binding, outsourcing, and 24-hour corrective action flow. This one page saves you weeks of back and forth and prevents silent substitutions. 6. Cost smart plays. Margin, helpers, matte lamp plus spot UV. Premium signal without heavy foil tooling. Deep Deboss, no foil. Luxe texture at lower cost. PU spine plus eco cover keeps durability where it matters and the sustainability story upfront. For PP covers, print artwork on the insert, not the plastic color accuracy jumps and scrap drops. 7. Care cards. You can reuse. Leather. Wipe condition occasionally. Avoid heat, moisture. PU bonded. Damp wipe only. Cloth. Felt. Spot clean. Gentle detergents. Paper. Keep dry. Specify lamination for tougher duty. Plastic. Simple. Wipe clean. Eco fibers. Avoid prolonged sun humidity. Follow supplier care notes. A tiny care icon on your belly band equals fewer returns and better reviews. 8. How we help so you ship with confidence. At Line Paper Products, we run CN, KH, KR capacity with ISO 9001, FSC, COC, SMETA, BSCI, Pharma, Prop 65, CPSIA, SQP. We prototype in 5-7 days, support leather, PU, cloth, linen, felt, eco-composites, hardbound, softbound, PP, and all the good stuff. Foil, UV, emboss, die cut. You bring the brief. We return 2 material options with cost, durability, notes, and timeline fast. 9. Wrap up. Choose the cover that matches purpose, brand, and compliance. Then validate with hands-on samples and a short pilot run. That's how you get better touch, fewer defects, and stronger margins. If you want my team to pressure test your spec, send your use case, budget band, and target finish. We'll get you a sample plan and a clean path to launch. Leo, Line Paper Products.